our wedding anniversary games with our two contestants. My beautiful mother, Sheïda Meyer. Congratulations on your anniversary today, Mom.
Thank you, my son.
And also I want to introduce the big, the buff, the strong, Daddy Ellery! Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
I'm so glad you guys can be here today. It's going to be a fun game.
Yes.
The plan will be as well.
You guys want to see something awesome? Look at this. Nothing in my hands as soon as I put them inside.
Wow. That was awesome.
And also, now for our first question for this wedding anniversary game. Who is the funniest? You are correct! Woo! Okay, the second question for our wedding anniversary game is, who is the wisest?
Okay, good.
Okay.
Anyway.
The third question is, who is the night person?
I'm ready.
Correct! Ding, 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 woo! And the fourth question, who is more organized?
Oh, me. Yes. Me?
You are correct, sir. Okay. Who is the peacemaker? Correct! And now on to our second piece of questions. Who is the best cook?
The only person?
Correct! Okay, now for the next question. Who forgets first? You are correct! Woo! Who is the day person?
The person?
I'm the all-day person?
Yes.
Incorrect! Okay, who does your son love more?
Ooh. I think so.
Okay, I would say correct.
Very nice.
Who starts? Who starts the arguments?
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Correct!
I will improve it.
Yeah, you're improving.
I hope.
Who is the most athletic?
Yeah, definitely.
You are definitely correct.
Right.
Okay,
Oh, friend.
the next question will be, who spends more money?
Yeah.
Correct!
Yes.
Who is the most romantic?
Say we can work.
You more.
Correct! The next question will be, who's the most serious one? Correct! Okay, the final question for this first round is, who loves to eat more? You are correct. You're correct. You hit the jackpot right there. Okay. Now we will be coming back in just a few. Welcome back to our wedding anniversary games. For this second round, the topic will be, how well do you know your spouse? The both of them gave me 5 questions, and today I will read them to you, and we will see who knows one another better. For the first question is, which one does mom like the most? A. Water. B. Nutella equals to chocolate. C. Passion fruit juice.
C. Passion fruit juice.
You are correct! And now for the second question will be, which one of these is daddy's hobby? A. Read a book. B. Cook. C. Wash your car.
A.
You are correct! And now for the third question for my daddy. Which one does mom like the least? A. To cook. B. To clean the house. C. To do hair.
A. To cook.
You are correct!
That's some good thing
And now for the fourth question for mama. Where is daddy's favorite place to pray? A. Inside the room. B. Outside in nature. C. He has no favorite place.
His favorite place is outside in the nature.
You are correct!
Right?
And now for that. Which place is on mom's wish list? A. Hawaii. B. Argentina. C. Brazil.
Hawaii.
Correct!
Are we going? Oh,
What? That's really yes.
sorry. Let's go.
And now for the next question for mama. Which type of vacation spot would daddy enjoy the most? A. One with beautiful buildings. B. One with beautiful nature. C. A combination of both.
B.
You are correct! And now the next question
Hey, we know each other.
from my daddy. What is mom's favorite animal? A. Dogs. B. Birds. C. None of the above.
None whatsoever.
You are correct, but that's not the right way to say it.
She doesn't like animals.
Okay.
Have to grow.
The next question is for my mom. Which activity does daddy find more relaxing? A. Going to the beach. B. Going for a walk outside. C. Watching TV.
Going to the beach. A.
Correct.
Interesting.
Yes, yes.
The next question is for my daddy. How does mom enjoy her time with God the most? A. In nature. B. At home journaling. C. At the church.
B. At home journaling.
You are correct!
Woo, woo.
The next question is, which of these would daddy enjoy to eat the most? Wow. A. A delicious dessert. B. A delicious dinner at a restaurant. C. A delicious home-cooked meal by mom.
Of course. C.
You are correct! And that, folks, is the end of our anniversary wedding games! And we will be coming back to you next time when we have a next anniversary. See ya and goodbye.
I just want to thank God for my wife. She's such a blessing and a gift of God to me. And this is the 4th year that we celebrated our anniversary. And we just thank God for His faithfulness.
Amen. I want to thank God also for my husband that is such a sweet husband and loving me for all these 4 years. And 5 years in the relationship together,
Yes.
altogether. But the 4 official years as husband and wife.
Yes. And I think the highlight that the world is right now recognizing is that we're facing a crisis. And in marriage as well, the crisis and ups and downs will come. But one thing that was really a blessing for us, like a highlight, was the quarantine period that we went through, the lockdown and all of that. Because it was a time that we could focus inside more on our family. Because one thing that God is teaching us a lot is that if the family is strong, if we are walking in a close relationship with Him in the first place, but also as husband and wife, everything outside will turn out a blessing. But if we're focusing too much outside and not in our relationship, it will have a downfall for what we're going to do outside as well. Because strong families build strong communities that will have an impact on the society. So I thank God for the quarantine period because it teaches us to prioritize more in our relationship as a family and to just be there for one another, and also to keep things simple, not to complicate our lives too much.
We had to face each other, of course.
Yes.
It wasn't easy all the time, but we see it as a blessing because we grow through it.
Yes.
And that is our prayer, that you out there as well, you made, even though it was, or it still is, a difficult time, this year, until now, this is a very difficult year for so many reasons, but still we hope that you can experience God through it all.
Yes, and I just want to leave you all with an illustration that Jesus gave. He said that there is a house that is built on the sand and there is a house that is built on the rock. And he says the storm will come, the one that is built on the sand, of course, will fall, but the one that is built on the rock, the storm will come, but it will remain standing. And what I want to say is that when you have Jesus in your life as your personal Lord and Savior, when He becomes the captain of your personal life, but also of your marriage, of your family, the storms will come. You will experience tribulation because all of us go through that. But because of Him that is our rock, our solid rock, even when the storms come, we will be standing together. And that is what we have experienced, especially through this last year. With so many things, but God has been our refuge and our strength and our ever-present help in times of trouble. So I want to encourage you all to place your trust in the Lord, because He is a faithful God who never fails us. And even when we are weak, in Him we can be strong.
Amen.
Because He is a solid rock on which we stand. So I want to just encourage each marriage couple that is watching, remember that when Christ is the rock on which your marriage is built, the storms will come, but by God's grace it will stand. Amen. But it is a personal decision that we have to take.
Exactly. And once you have Christ in your life, also it takes courage to obey and to keep the faith.
Yeah.
So I want to encourage all, especially all the Christian couples out there, to continue to trust God, even though sometimes it looks so hard or dark. Know that the Lord is near.
Amen. Amen. Thank you all for tuning in, and this is just a sneak peek of our wedding anniversary. May God bless you all, and it was a pleasure to just be able to share with you.
Yes. Love you all. Take care.
Bye-bye.
God's grace. Praise God from whom all blessings flow.